doesn't have her mask on yet, but say hey, Gabby.
Hello.
We are going to go into the antique store today. I'm not sure if I will be allowed to film. If I will, I'll film. If not, I'll just show a mini haul of what we picked up today. But we are going to try to find some pieces to put on the entryway remodel or redo that we are going to be doing today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I shopped my house. I pulled out some old things that we are going to use, and I'm going to just point out some of the new things. So this really interesting stacked blue vase was from the antique shop Happy's. I only paid $12 for it, and I love the detailing right here. I think the handles add to its very unique shape, and I was contemplating spray painting it black, but I think for now I'm just going to leave it blue. The other thing that I got was this, I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost like, let me bring it up close, like a yellow and rattan basket from the antique shop as well. It was only $4 actually. So I am just going to put this on the entryway table and use it as a place we can drop our keys or mail when we're checking the mailbox. So that's new. And this basket is not from the antique shop, but it is from Target. It's a really tall, it's like 13 inches tall. Rattan, you probably saw my husband and the kid in the background. Rattan vase, rather. I think I said basket, but you guys know what I mean. Rattan vase, and I'm going to use that as the centerpiece for the entryway. And since I couldn't find the big-headed flowers that I wanted to put in this vase, for now I am going to use these greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby like a year ago that was in the family room. So these are going to be put in this basket. So let's get started with the design. Everybody, I love the way it turned out, so I am about to show you guys. This is how it looks for right now. Yes, it's very colorful, but my husband requested color. That's why we switched out the artwork pieces that are now hanging there. And let me walk around the table. As you can see, there are paint marks, but I don't care because I like imperfectly perfect things, and I am not taking that off. The yellow basket for keys or mail. Our beloved dog, Bo, who passed away. We adore and miss him. He's always going to be represented. These are some books I stole from another area in the house. A flower bud that was safe in my daughter's closet that I stole from her room. Some old interior design magazines from Restoration Hardware or catalogs that I actually really love. I just like to get these just to look through them, just for inspiration. So that's actually a tip that you guys can use if you're looking for inspo. And this guy you guys probably recognize. I stole him from the cabinet. This is the emerald and gold tray. A beautiful picture of my nieces. That is Naomi, Sula, Kennedy. Oh, no, Naomi, Sula, Zoe, and Kennedy. This was quite a few years ago. They are big girls now. The vase that we just got today, and I think it's sculptural enough to not put anything in it. A picture of the head of this house, which is Gabrielle. She was one when I took that headshot of her in her old apartment, and then some more books. So when you walk in, I'm gonna actually walk outside so you guys can get the full effect, the ideal of what I'm going for. So I can't even go outside. Good grief, guys. Oh, it's a beautiful day, by the way, here in Aden. Oh yeah, we got mums. So I'm going to walk outside. So just imagine you're opening up the door, and the first thing you see is this beautiful entryway area with the colorful artwork. So the only thing I want to change, of course, is the ceiling light. That has got to go. And you see how beautiful the back of this door is. That's a natural wood. And if you remember from when I opened the door, they painted it, the previous owners did. Don't know why they did that, because again, as you see, the door is breathtaking. You don't paint something, you just leave as it is. So it looks really good, and I am really happy with it. So in this short little video, I hope you guys enjoyed everything and have a great day.